If you want to turn on call waiting on Android, this is how you can do it. First of all, go to call log. When you're on your call log like this, click this three dot by the right side of your screen. Click settings. When your settings open, you can see what is displaying on my screen now. That is the same way it will display on your Android phone when you want to enable or disable call waiting on Android phones. Now click calling accounts. When you click calling accounts, it will show you the network you're using, whether you're using MTN, whether you're using Airtel, whether you're using 9 Mobile, or any kind of network you're using depending on the country you are. So it will show you. For instance, now I want to click MTN Nigeria, which is SIM1. Click the network you want to change, or you want to set the call while on call as well. Now when it opens, you will see all these things which is on my screen now. Fixed dialing numbers, call forwarding, call bearing, and additional settings. Now click additional settings. Allow it to load and open. It may take some time. Now when it opens like this, you can see call ID and you can also see call waiting. Now if you want to turn it on, you can see my own is on now. If you are calling me now, another call will still enter my phone. But if you want to turn it off, you have to click this green button by the right side of the screen now, like this. It will load like this. Allow it to load and bring you and update it. Now it has updated. I have turned off or I have disabled call waiting. Now if I want to enable it now, I will click that button again. Allow it also to load and open. So that this is the simplest way you can do it to be receiving call while you are on another call on Android phone, regardless of the phone you're using. It is very simple. So that is it. The step, it is very simple. You can turn on, you can turn off, you can enable, you can disable, you can switch it off, and you can switch it on. What am I talking about? Call waiting, to be receiving call while you are on call. So if this video has helped you or has found solution to your problems, kindly like it, kindly comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that when we upload a new video, you will be the first to have it. And don't forget to share it to your friends who may need this solution too. So once again, thank you for watching.